it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today, yes, it's that time. We are doing my September Facetory unboxing and August Facetory review. So Facetory is a Korean sheet mask subscription service. You can get 4 or 7 masks sent to you every month, and the pricing is for the 4 Forever Fresh kit, it's $8.90 and that includes shipping, and for the 7 Luxe box it is $19.90 and that includes shipping. And you get a variety of sheet masks. I believe they also have options to customize called Your Story Box, customized for your skin type, and that one is $19.90 as well. So you can always get it customized to suit your needs. But let's go ahead and get started with unboxing the September box. I get mine late in the month because I signed up late in the month. So even though September is almost over, I'm just now getting my box. Wow, that is some pink tissue paper. I always get excited about the tissue paper, but dang, that's pink. And I'm not a big fan of pink. If it was purple, maybe I'd be excited, but not pink. And their card is really cute. It looks like a little video game. They always have a card explaining the steps of how you apply the masks and everything like that. Then they also have a card that lists each mask, the beneficial ingredients, what they're supposed to do, the price. That is really handy as well. So the theme for this month looks to be like a video game theme to me, which is super exciting because I love old school video games like this. And the first mask is another Facetory mask, and I'm so excited because I didn't try the Facetory mask last month because it had aloe. So hopefully I can try this one and see what kind of mask Facetory comes out with. So this one is the Facetory Whoa That H2O. It retails for $5. It's supposed to keep your skin smooth and hydrated. It has an ampule with jasmine flower extract, and that moisturizes and protects skin and has antibacterial properties. And then it has a hydrating mask with ceramide and sodium hyaluronate, which strengthens the skin moisture barrier and provides moisture to dry skin. So this sounds like a super amazing mask. Ooh, actually the mask itself has soy. I might not use this. So it sounds really good. I might let somebody else in my life try this. I share my mask with my friends, my fiance, and let them enjoy some of the Luxe masks. Next we have the Mer Bliss Intense Soothing Mask Nurse Healing. It retails for $4. It soothes and heals irritations and has rosemary leaf extract, which protects skin cells from damage, and peppermint leaf extract, which contains methanol to heal and soothe irritations. And just look, it looks like this one is actually going to be one I will be able to try, and it sounds really nice. Like, I love myself a good soothing mask, and right now I'm having this like eczema rash around like my jawline and neck area, so I would really love some soothing right about now. That sounds great. Next we have the Better Skin Volcanic Ash Detoxing Sheet Mask, and it retails for $7. Ooh, that's a pricey mask. And it is supposed to be extremely beneficial for your skin. It uses volcanic ash, which treats irritated skin, blemishes, acne, and is great for oily skin types. And it has Camellia japonica seed oil, which provides deep moisture, and Hordeum vulgare extract. Sorry, I butcher everything I try to pronounce. I'm so sorry. It helps support the skin's barrier to keep your skin looking radiant, soft, and healthy. This actually sounds like a good mask when I'm on that time of the month, and I am pretty excited to use this. You know, it's coming up, so I'm excited And I don't see any no ingredients. I'm super happy about that. It even has collagen in here, which they didn't advertise on the card, and you know I love me some collagen, so I'm excited to try this one. The fourth mask is the Hello Skin Jumiso Hydration Mask. It retails for $3.50, and it's supposed to give you hydration and relax you. It has aloe, oh no, can't try this mask, and ceramide, which are supposed to hydrate, soften, detoxify, and strengthen the skin's moisture barrier. So this is a pass because aloe does irritate my skin. Oh, it's way down low, but it's in there, so I still don't want it on my skin. Next is the Nada, the yellow sheet mask. This retails for $4. And it's supposed to give your skin a quick pick-me-up. It has ginger extract, which evens out skin tone, anti-aging, and provides elasticity. And it has schizandra berry extract. Oh god, I probably butchered that one. And it is supposed to promote healthy skin and has astringent properties. This one, again, sounds really good for, you know, that time of the month when my skin is angry at me and not happy because, you know, I want something that's gonna even things out and make it healthy and glowy. So I'm excited for this one. All the ingredients are in Korean, so I can't verify if any no ingredients are in here or not, but I'm gonna say I'll try it. I'll risk it because it sounds really good. Next is the Inner Kalia Cream Mask Pack, and it says whitening on the packaging, and in my understanding, whitening in Korea is brightening in America. So it's not like bleaching your skin exactly, it's more brightening dark spots and hyperpigmentation, things like that. So it says that it is supposed to brighten and deeply penetrate to go from dull to radiant, has swiftlet nest extract, and that's supposed to help with dryness and youthfulness, and niacinamide, which reduces fine lines and large pores and weakens skin surface. And this sounds fabulous to me. I'm just really quickly reading the ingredients, and I don't see anything that would be irritating at all, so I'm super happy about that. Definitely excited to give this one a go. Ooh, this one looks fancy. It comes in a little like cardboard over packaging. Super fancy. This is the 23 years old Citra Dermaseal mask. It is made out of egg membrane to help treat the skin, retain moisture, and keep the material thin and stretchy for a comforting sheet mask. So I've never used a sheet mask made out of egg membrane that I recall. This will be really interesting. Has sea buckthorn oil, licorice extract, and Capotis japonica root extract, which has healing and rejuvenating effects that slow down the signs of aging, balances oils while evening out skin tone, and is skin calming and hydrating. And it retails for $7 US. So I'm excited to try this one because it is so different. All of the ingredients are in Korean, so I can't verify if there are any no ingredients, but it's so interesting. I really want to try it, so I'm gonna risk it. Facetory did print a code on the back of this card that is for 10% off an annual subscription. It is code RESET10. Hopefully you can see that, but I will put it in the description box down below as well. RESET10 for 10% off an annual subscription. So we have 5 masks that I definitely am excited to try, and 2 masks that I will have to share. I usually call these Justin masks, but Justin has been so busy lately, he hasn't even had time to mask. So just to share masks, but yeah, that sounds like a really good month. I'm really excited about this month. There's some good ones in there. Now on to the August review. The first one is the Facetory Sun Base Soothing Mask, and I did not try this one. My friend Kristen tried this one. Unfortunately, she did not get back to me as to what she thought on it. I asked her multiple times, but she just really let me down on that one. So I looked up the reviews on it. There are only 2 reviews, and people have said that it is one of their favorite soothing masks, and it made their face look brand new. So it sounds really good, but it has aloe, which I am sensitive to, so I did not try it. And it is supposed to restore your skin and soothe your skin after a sunny day at the beach. So it's like an after sun care kind of mask. If you want to try it based on those 2 reviews, it does sound really nice, but if you're sensitive to aloe like I am, I would definitely stay away from it. The next mask is the I'm Sorry for My Skin SOS Jelly Mask. This mask was also supposed to be soothing and rescue your skin after being out in the sun too long. And I tried this one and I did find it really calming and soothing. I don't know if you have watched my videos recently, but I did mention recently that I take Adderall as a prescription, and I had just taken an Adderall when I put this on, and it was so calming and soothing that even though I had just taken a stimulant, like I wanted to pass out and I wanted to take a nap. It was that calming and soothing. I would definitely repurchase this. It was so good. Next is the Referral Juice Cleanse Mask Wheat and Celery, and I forgot to say, but the first one, the Sunbay, retailed for $3.50. The second one retailed for $4, and this one retails for $5. And this one is supposed to be like a juice cleanse for your skin. It is supposed to soften and moisturize and reduce scars and impurities and provide you with nutrients. So basically like a cleanse for your skin. This one was really interesting. You had the dry mask in here and it had little vitamin C powdered spots all over it, and then you had the essence in here and you were supposed to take the mask out and soak it in the essence. And I did that and I really liked the way my skin looked, but the mask left weird powdery residue from the vitamin C patches all over my skin, and I felt like I had to rinse my skin afterwards even though you weren't supposed to. I would say it's a maybe, because I like the way my skin looked, but I hated how it felt afterwards. And I feel like if I'm rinsing it off right away afterwards, I'm not really getting the full benefits. So it's not exactly worth the $5 price. So I just talked myself down from a maybe to a no on this one. This is a not repurchase. And in case you haven't watched any of my Facetory videos before, anything that I count as a repurchase and something I would recommend to you to try, I link down below. Facetory does sell masks individually, and you can always pick up these masks just on an individual basis if you don't want to sign up for the subscription. The fourth mask was the Xianli Pore and Spot Care Mask. And this one retails for $3.50 and is supposed to prevent wrinkles and aging and help treat acne. I tried this one. I noticed my pores looked clearer, my fine lines looked reduced, and my skin was extremely moisturized afterwards. So I would definitely repurchase this. I think this is well worth $3.50, if not more than that. I felt so like clean but moisturized. Like it wasn't one of those deep cleaning and drying masks. It really cleaned me out but still left me moisturized, which was amazing. Then we have the Eau d'Amour Aqua Mask. This one is supposed to help the skin retain moisture and help reduce blemishes and aging and also hydrate. And I again tried this one. I felt my skin was smoother, softer, definitely moisturized, definitely brightened, and it felt really soothed. It retails for $4, and I feel like I would repurchase this again because it did all that it claimed it would do, and it felt really nice and I really enjoyed it. So I would recommend this. I would repurchase this. Next is the Medius Ampule Synergy Mask Lifting Plus. And this one is supposed to make your skin glow and even out skin tone and plump your skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It is a 2-step mask. The first one up here is a little essence pad that you just wipe all over your face, and then you have the high-fitting mask down here, and that you leave on for about 20 minutes. Sorry about the dogs, so sorry. So I tried this one. It left me really glowy and moisturized. I wrote down maybe. It's $5.50 US. I don't know, I just felt the 2 steps were a lot like extra work, and I didn't get like extra amazing results like other masks. Other masks are doing the same thing for 1 step, and this is $5.50, and some of those are cheaper, so I'll put it in the no pile. It's no longer a maybe, it's a no. The last mask is the Aniline Keep Cool and Ocean Mask, and this is supposed to hydrate and soothe as well as prevent aging with antioxidants. And I tried this one. It was moisturizing, soothing. It really was one of those ones where I just felt so relaxed and calm when using it. And it was $5 US, but I really enjoyed it. I would definitely pay $5 for this mask and get it again for sure. So for the month of August, we have 4 repurchases, recommends, 2 no's, and 1 I have no freaking clue. I'm sorry, I'm so sorry about that. It won't happen again. I will make sure it won't happen again. So I don't know, I would say maybe this time the box might not have been worth it, but I still had fun trying all the masks, so I don't regret spending the money on it. I don't. I don't. But with like half of the masks almost not being good or me not being able to use, I don't necessarily know that the monetary value is there. But I'm really excited for this month's box, and I will let you know what I think in about 4 weeks. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!